Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about VeChain. Some crazy bullish price predictions for 2022. We're talking about 1,664% gains from now until the start of 2022. Is this really possible? Potentially. And we're going to talk about some of the reasons why. And VeChain right now is continuing to move up over the past 10 to 12 days or so. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to read some interesting bullish news in terms of some technical analysis by a few folks, as well as talk about just the future of VeChain, why I'm so bullish on it. And if you get some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel too. Would appreciate that. I'm drinking some black coffee, but I did some cinnamon this morning in the black coffee. Drop down in the comments below, how do you take your coffee, or what do you get at your favorite coffee shop? What's your go-to? I'm usually a black coffee guy. Yesterday I did some cream for the first time in a while, but I do like black coffee with a little bit of cinnamon. I know it sounds interesting, but somebody showed me this, and I took her word for it. I tried it, and it's pretty good. So I do this from time to time, put some cinnamon in there. Nice, it coats your stomach a little bit too while you drink it. But anyway, drop down in the comments how you take yours. So 1.54%, the overall market is 1.65 trillion. We're seeing that number continue to rise. That is great to see. Now, in terms of VeChain, up about 2.34% above the market percentage. And you see that little pop right there? So go back to July 18th. In fact, we were even lower than that. We're going to take a look at the trading view, but that little pop is bigger than you think, and that is a bullish signal. So let's take a look at that. All right, so let's take a look at the trading view. Look at that. So from way back on the 21st, or we'll call it the 20th, either one, we were down at 5 cents, about 5.5 cents. Right now, we got as high as over 9 cents, 0.093. We got to in the days range as we are heading back up to 10 cents. So if we get to 10 cents, let's say in the next couple of days here, that means in a 2-week span, the price could have or would have doubled. That's the kind of gains we're talking about. Sometimes it's hard to see when something only goes from 5 cents to 10 cents, you know, what really just happened. That's doubling in price. That is massive. Massive gains for VET. And we're going to talk about some of the interesting bullish predictions on VET. So this article coming from the Daily Hodl, analyst Justin Bennett outlines massively bullish path for VeChain. Also tracks some key resistance levels for BTC, ETH, and Chainlink. Chainlink has done really well over the past couple weeks as well. But we're talking about VeChain here. So using VeChain's past price history as a guide, and there's that crazy move upward too, Bennett suggests the asset may have hit a bottom as he traces a bullish path that, if it plays out, would see the asset increasing by 1,664% by the start of 2022. We've been talking about VET for a very long time, since I started the channel back in May. If you want to be on the inside of things, come on over and join us at the Patreon group. You're going to get access to our private Discord, where there are a ton of great minds over there talking about crypto each and every day, every hour of the day too. So we've got people in there working midnight shifts, and shout out to you, Luis. I know you're working the graveyard shift a lot. And listen, there are people in there all the time talking crypto. So if you want to learn from others, we're growing that community together. Today's the first of the month. Great opportunity to hop in, check it out for a month, see what you think, and hopefully you join us, and hopefully you get some value. I'm pretty confident you will. I don't know too many people who've said they haven't got some value from our private community. So that's the type of gains we're talking about, 1,664%. Now, I'm not banking on that. I'm holding VeChain until 2025. I've talked about that numerous times. I think it's got very bullish use cases in the supply chain management area, whether it be in agriculture, whether it be in retail. And we're going to talk a little bit more about one of those particular areas. So far more than Walmart China, how VeChain leads blockchain adoption in the food industry around the globe. So VeChain has been accumulating use cases in this area since 2019, from powering big names in the industry to helping countless farmers and suppliers streamline their management systems. Some of the following use cases improve the business resilience of our clients during the pandemic, with some built especially to mitigate the impact of COVID-19. These examples demonstrate the viability of our technology and are paving the way for the mass adoption of the VeChain Thor platform. How about this? Below are some past examples and achievements of VeChain in the food industry. Walmart China takes on food safety with VeChain Thor blockchain technology. They bring together Sam's Club and VeChain to take one step further towards blockchainization. Love that word. With safe food traceability platform. It's just continuing to grow in terms of the number of use cases for VeChain. How about powering producers market to onboard U.S. seafood import platform, No Seafood? VeChain officially joined the China Animal Health and Food Safety Alliance as one of the council members. It's just amazing what they are doing time and time again. And let's bounce into a couple other pieces here. This is a good tweet. Shout out to FataLex. VeChain's rightful place is in the top 5. Meme and game tokens might be exploding in growth, but VeChain is a public blockchain platform. It's been around for a while too. Already we're seeing high growth from projects like VimWorld, Hackin, VPunks, VexChange. That will follow, just like ETH or BNB. So some more bullish signs here for VET. And then here's one more. Now this gets into some of the technical analysis. Last time VeChain retested the bottom of the ascending channel as support was on December 27th. The next day we went up 22%. Now this was a tweet on the 29th. 1 week after, 85%. Today this 22% and 85% would equal to VET at plus 10 and plus 15 cents respectively. Nothing says it will repeat, just keep it in mind. So these technical charts show that we could be heading to 10 cents and 15 cents very soon. The all-time high is at 27 cents. And I think, we're going to get there in this bull run. I've said, plus 30 cents once this market continues to rip forward, as many people predict it will in the coming months as we head into quarter number 4 of this year, 2021. Just some very, very bullish signals here on VET. It's one that I'm continuing to add on to. I've piled in anytime it's below 6 cents. I initially got into VET very low, way down at about 3 cents beginning of the year, and every time it gets to 6 cents or below, I'm adding onto that position. I'm okay holding it in there at 4 or 5 cents average cost, because as we sit right now, just under 9 cents, I've more than doubled my current VET portfolio in terms of how much money I've put in versus what it's worth right now. And I am going to continue to watch that grow. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. And let me know down in the comments, are you bullish on VET? Have you invested in VET? If not, why not? I love to hear conversation. Let's get the conversation rolling in those comment sections. I love it. I read all the comments. I check it out. Even if I don't respond to all of them, I am reading. So just so you know, appreciate all the support on the channel. Very grateful for each and every one of you. As we head into a new month, I just want to say thank you. I've got 2 full months in the books now on YouTube, June and July, and that's been a ton of fun, and I'm looking forward to continually continue to grow with all of you. I started back in mid-May. It's amazing how far this community has already grown, and I feel all the support. Love y'all out there. Appreciate you so much. And don't forget about that Patreon group. Links down in the description if you want to check that out. And I'll see you all in the next video.